action. Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Tracy.
And welcome back to our channel. We're super excited today
because we're back with our second video from our new series called
The Great British Makeover.
The Great British Make-Off, #GBMO, where Jamie and I will go head to head in a makeover challenge.
Yep, that's right. Each week, Tracy and I will take it in turns to surprise each other with an object or material which we have to make over into something new.
Last week it was my turn and I chose cereal boxes.
But this week, it's my turn to choose. Okay, you can open your eyes now, Tracy. Here we go. So this week, I choose a perfume bottle for you and an aftershave bottle for me. Perfume and aftershave bottles are always really beautiful. I think that they warrant a Great British Makeover challenge.
Okay, so I really need to get my thinking cap on.
So it's going to be a really tricky one because it's glass and it's hard to work with glass. You need specialist tools if you want to change the structure of it. So we're going to have to think really hard about this one. See you soon.
Okay, so it's 2 days later and we're back and we've both had time to do a bit of research.
I'm going to be making this.
And I'm going to be making this.
So for my make, I'm going to be using this, obviously. I'm also going to be using this. I've got this, I'm not sure yet how I'm going to attach these things. One of these. There'll be a number of other definitely tools and equipment that I'll be using, but I'll show you that as I use it.
This, which is from an old, bought this from B&M. This, I hope to use these three things, do something on here. I've also got one of these. I have this. Now, this is something which I'm really not sure about using, I have to say. So this will be fun.
Okay, so are we ready, Tracy?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Let's remake it. Okay, so I've taken the lid off mine.
I've taken the lid off mine.
If you just kind of get a pair of pliers and just peel it off, it comes off really easily. So I'm ready for my next stage. What about you?
Yeah, I'm definitely ready for my next stage.
Let's go. Okay, so before we do anything else, just to say that I did manage to get the top lip of this off. I just used a hammer and very, very carefully just kind of chipped it away, and obviously I use safety glasses, but the great thing is that this now fits in there. Okay, so this might be noisy.
You got a drill? You're drilling something?
Yeah. What is that? Okay, so I can't drill while you're doing that, I'm afraid.
Why?
So my make's gone on hold.
Nice.
Okay, so I've finished the first stage now, which for me was actually drilling. I mean, Jamie knows I've been drilling a hole there, and I'm really pleased because it's actually worked. And my next stage, basically I need to put everything together. Have you finished your first stage?
I finished my first stage some time ago. And I've moved on to other things.
For me, it's basically putting everything together. Is that the same for you?
It's putting everything together, but also there are some design elements that I need to finish up.
What is that?
Making something amazing. Making something amazing. So both Tracy and I have reached the end of stage 2 of our make, and For me, that means sort of refining and making decisions about the design that I'm going for. All I've now got left to do is to make some small refinements to some of the pieces that I've cut up and join them all together. I'm really pleased with how it's gone.
Oh, that's good. I'm really pleased that you like what you've done.
How about you? Do you like what you've done?
Yeah, I love it. I really love it. I'm really proud of the fact that I managed to that, and it's working. I've put a little kind of finishing touch join on, and I use the Sugru, which is a kind of a plasticine putty which sets, so that's setting nicely now. And the only thing then I need to do for my stage 3 is put this on, and also I'm going to actually do something with this as well. I'm really excited about this. I can't believe it's actually started to work.
All right, so on to stage
3. Are you soaring again?
Yep. You're drying your hair?
Okay, so we finished our 3rd and final stage, and I'm really happy with mine. What about you, Jamie?
Yeah, I'm really happy with mine as well.
I have no idea what Jamie's done as normal. All I know is he's definitely been using some hard tools like sawing.
And I have no idea what you've done, other than at some point, I'm pretty sure that you were drying your hair.
Okay, so let's show the camera first and then we'll show each other. 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Okay, so this is what I've done, and I'm really happy with this, I have to say. What about you, Jamie?
This is what I've done, and I'm really happy with this as well.
Shall we show each other?
Yeah! Right, so I'm taking it away.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god! What? What is that?
Desk lamp.
That's amazing.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh, no.
I love the way that you've mimicked the flowers. So sweet. I can't believe you both done lights. Well, actually, I can.
Turn it round, I can't really see it.
Do you want me to tell you about it?
That's amazing.
What do you want to know?
I can see what it is. So it's a desk light.
Yeah, desk lamp. Immediately I thought I'm going to make a light because I love the glass and the colour of it. So I wanted to try and do something with a torch and do something clever. I've got a carpet return here which I've bent into the shape that I wanted, and I've supported that with the bits of wood that I found lying around. Used the cap, put it back on for the torch.
That's a really good idea.
Take your torch out.
Gosh.
So, you know, it's got a flashing function on it as well.
Oh wow, look at that. That's amazing. Okay, so this is mine, and I haven't actually switched it on yet, so I hope it works. Oh, there you go. Oh wow, it works.
Oh, that's so pretty.
That was really challenging.
You drilled through it.
Okay, well you knew I was drilling, as you heard, but
I knew you were drilling. But...
So yes, I drilled the glass, which was really challenging for me, but even more challenging was actually threading the lead through the glass.
Oh, right.
Really fine pliers, you just kind of pull it through.
Oh, you've got a glass straw.
Yeah,
I didn't even notice that. That's brilliant.
So I've got a glass straw which actually takes the lead through. And here, so I made a joint with the Sugru.
Oh, well done.
And some beads.
Nice.
Yeah, which
Very
is quite nice. And then painted.
I love the shade.
Painted the shade with fabric paint and a Posca pen. Yeah, so I'm really proud of this.
That's awesome. It's really lovely.
You know, I'll have this in the bedroom because I think it's a really nice kind of bedside. Are you putting yours in the bedroom,
I can
Jamie?
put mine wherever I want.
You can use it in the
Completely
workshop.
mobile.
So these are our final
aftershave
and perfume bottle.
Makes.
Please comment down below and let us know what you think. How do you think they turned out? Do you think they work? I'm really happy with them.
So it's actually Tracy's turn to choose next. Tracy,
yeah,
do you know what you're going to choose?
I've got an idea.
I'm really looking forward to seeing what you choose. Is that the end of our video?
I think that's the end of our video. Okay, so that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and comment, and follow us on Instagram, which is let's.remake.it. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.